Good morning, friends. As always, it's a great pleasure to say hello from the Maya land. In this time, I meditate about the secret meaning of the Mayan days. You know that we are looking now new days, new aspects in the Mayan calendar. So that is a beautiful message that is in concrete connected with the energy of our mother. I will show you the glyphs and I will explain to you. These are the five leaves, who correspond to a week. So in these five leaves, there is a message I want to tell you about. The first glyph or symbol is connected with ik, ik, I-K. Ik means the spirit who is within you. It's very important to remark something that maybe sometimes we don't know, we ignore a little bit. But the idea of the spirit is not only to see the spirit out of you or outside of you, is to really see that you have the spirit within. And that spirit is the one who is in perfect balance with the sky and the earth, with the masculine and feminine, and is precisely that energy who is going to precisely to connect you with Mother Earth. That is the second symbol. Image, image is that energy that Mother provides us through all the elements of life. You know, the five kingdoms, the five elements, the movements of our planet around the sun is connected with all this energy of Mother Earth. But Mother Earth, again, is not only outside, it's inside us. Our bones, our blood, our breath, our fire within, and our spirit is one with the mother. So when the mother connected with you, in some way, these are the elements who are in perfect relation with you, because with those elements you have life. So mother is always given to you that. So the spirit of Mother Earth connected with something very important, who is the sacred feminine, Ish. Ish means the sacred feminine. The force now is in plenty renaissance in this planet, bringing the women as a hope to reconnect again the human beings with the energy of our planet in terms of restoration, in terms of love, honor, energies who are needed now very much in all the levels of our living. So sacred feminine represents again to trust that in our divine mother first, in our spiritual mother, but at the same time to be again in that beautiful balance with the women, with the girls, with the little children who are connected with the sacred feminine. And within yourself, even you are a man, you have the sacred feminine too. Your emotions, when you cry, when you feel, when you express love, etc. So this is the sacred feminine, who is represented with the term IX, who sounds in Maya Ish. Then the fourth one is Kimil. Kimil means that when you have the spirit of the sacred feminine, the Mother Earth, you are able to transform yourself. If you see in all the analogies, that we have in different cultures, the different symbols of Mother Earth is always connected with the sacred feminine. We see in the Maya, Ixchel, Ixmucane, we have in Egypt, Isis, in the Incas, we have Maca, Mama Oyo, in the different traditions, always Maria, Paula, Io, Demeter, Diana, Kuan Yin is the same principle, who is helping you when you call your mother, when you call the spirit of your mother who lives within you and is represented in all the elements of life, the mother will assist you, will be with you, and the times that you need that transformation, that's when you connected and reconnected with the spirit of the mother. And the mother with the father are the ones, are the creators of all this process in this planet. And at the end, we have Etzna. Etzna is through that process, through that situation, you are able to call the Kratos energy. It's when you make your mantras, you make your prayers, you may say, Mama, Mother, help me, Divine Mother, help me. You connected with that energy, but you say it, you manifest it through your words. It's very important that one thing is to meditate in silence, and one thing is you manifest your wish, what you want, and then the mother received your words. It's like when you see somebody with a certain need, but this person doesn't speak to you. You can guess, but if the person comes to you and said, I need this, and then this is exactly the same example when you need something. Talk to your mother. Talk to the Divine Mother. This is what I need. This is what in this moment, Mother, I ask you for to help me into transform this aspect of my life. Or I have this need. I need support for my life. I need health. I need to return to my good relationship with my family, with my friends, etc. So this is precisely in this time the spirit of the Mother Earth connecting with the sacred feminine, ready to help to transform you, and through that speak the word, calling again, make the mantras, connecting with that energy, with the music, with the words, with the transmission, the knowledge that you have, because the spirit of the mother lives within you. It's not something outside, it's inside. And this is very important in this time because we are returning little by little, day by day, to that precise and precious energy of the sacred feminine. More and more men are able to express their emotions, their feelings, their thoughts, and more the women are recovering, their place as priestesses, as women, as the sacred feminine in perfect balance with the sacred masculine. So this is the time, and these 5 glyphs giving us a beautiful message that I really love it to share with you, and especially, don't forget to practice. We need to practice what we learn in order to arise our frequency to understand with the heart and to understand, with the mind. The teacher said, feel with your head and understand through your heart. That is interesting. Okay, so from that, we are going to do now the connection with our mother, the connection with this moment. I invite you to close your eyes, to take a breath and relax. Relax, relax, relax. Any problem, any worry, any stress, any doubt, please let it go. Let it go. Put in the hands of the spirit of the mother. Mother Ixchel, Grandmother Ichmukane. We know that you are involved in all these beautiful glyphs, symbols of the Mayan calendar. Image, Ish. 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 Ish. Image, Ish. Image, Ish. Ish, image, ish, image, ish, image, ish, image, ish, image is, 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 image in, image is, image in, image is, 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 image is. Mother, we called you, we prayed you. Please help all our brothers and sisters, humankind, all the living beings in the different kingdoms to approach to you, to be connected with your heart, to ask the help they need. Please touch their minds and their hearts, heal their bodies, bring them the beautiful energy of your being, because you are one with the Father. You are one with the Son. Thank you, Mother. Thank you for to be with us, to guide us, and to protect with your sacred mantle to all of us when we are in danger, when we are in situations that we need your protection. You are there with your mantle, with your love, with your protection. And you have told that the ones who love you, respect you, and honor you as the sacred feminine, they are going to be protected in any situation, spiritual and physical. And we believe it because we love you, we honor you, and we respect you, Mother. We love you, we respect you, we honor you, we love you, we respect you, we honor you. Thank you, thank you for all the gifts that every day we receive from you, for to make the link between the heaven and the earth, for all the amazing productivity in all the meals, sources like the water, like the three seeds, wheat, rice, and corn, to feed all humankind today. Thank you for all the animals, for all the trees, for all mountains, caves, for all waters. Thank you for to embrace us as your children, and always you are close of us. Thank you for your love. Thank you for all you give us. Forgive us for our mistakes and give us day by day more consciousness to understand your profound love that you have for all humankind. Send love and light, abundance, kindness, balance, harmony, enthusiasm, joy, peace to all the planet, to all the people, and to all living beings. So be it, so it is. It is done. So be it, so it is done. So be it, so it is done. In Lak'ech, Alakan. Take a breath. Say thank you to your personal teachers, your divine guides, and the Spirit of the Mother always is with you. He never abandoned you. Never abandoned you. Look around you. All the manifestations of image, Ish, grandmother, mother, thank you. Another breathe, and little by little, open your eyes with gratitude always. One thing I wanna just to finish is that do you anytime have thought why you are here in this planet Earth? Because sometimes it's like we don't recognize this is our home and this is the school, this is the university that we are learning how to climb to the next step of consciousness. So any day, any situation is always educative. Is like the education that we're receiving for our spirit to climb to another level of consciousness. Remember that, love your mother, your divine mother, and you will be and you will see the difference in la cage.